The second question I get a lot from real estate investors is, when I buy a property, should I be buying the property in my own name or directly into an LLC? Well, if you can close directly into the LLC, that is the best way of doing it. However, it completely depends on the loan that you're obtaining. So why is it best to be able to close on the property purchase inside the LLC? Well, first and foremost, we have maximum privacy this way. Your name, if the LLC is properly structured and done right, will never appear in the public record. So we don't have this record of you transferring the property from you into the LLC. Yes, it will look like you sold the property to an investment LLC, but I'd rather, all things being equal, that your name never appears on the ownership of the property. Second, it also makes title insurance super clean. When you close in the name of the LLC, the title insurance will name the LLC, and so without a doubt, there's no issues as far as the title insurance being effective and extending to that LLC. That said, it is rare that title companies would ever deny a title insurance claim because you contributed the property into an LLC. And then lastly, I believe this risk is overblown, but it is becoming more of an issue, and that is the risk of violating the do-on-sell clause. Again, in my career and those that I work with, we have not seen a lender ever take issue about you contributing a property that you own into an LLC that you own. However, this whole argument of due-on-sale clause violation doesn't even get raised if you close the property inside the LLC. But as I said earlier, it completely depends upon the loan. Some lenders require you to close in your own personal name, and that is simply the reality of it. Now, that's not as ideal for the reasons I just listed, but it's better to close in your name and then approximately 30 days later, transfer it into the LLC. Why do we wait about 30 days? We don't want to ever get in front of your lender and their mortgage or deed of trust that they're going to be recording on the property.